Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make fish pie at your comfort home without having oven. Welcome to Lizzie Home Kitchen, your home for easy and tasty baking recipes. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my baking tutorials. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, and of course 100 gram of margarine, but you can use butter if you like. Use your hand to mix it together until the margarine is well combined with the other ingredients. Just mix it as much as possible. If you notice now, you will see that everything is well combined. Then it's time to add water. Add half cup of water and mix it together to form a dough. Though it may be messy at first, but do not worry, just continue mixing it and make sure you don't knead it too much. If you notice now, you will see that it's now becoming smooth, not as messy as it was before. So mix it to form a dough like this. Set it aside or put it inside the fridge and go on with making the sauce. For the sauce, add little vegetable oil in a pan. Add chopped onions. Add pepper and of course stir everything together. After that, add your seasoning cubes and a pinch of salt. Stir everything together and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then go on with adding your carrots. Stir it again and leave it for another 2 minutes. After that, add your fish and add 3 tablespoons of flour in a water. Mix it together and add it to the sauce. Then leave the sauce for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, can you see how appetizing the sauce is? After that, bring out your dough and transfer it to the wall surface. But before putting the dough on the wall surface, make sure you rub the wall surface with a little vegetable oil and use your roller or rolling pin to flatten it out. Flatten it out as much as possible. Then cut it into a rectangular shape. You can see how I'm doing it, right? Just cut it into a rectangular shape. So if you can get like this exact size, then you are going to be adding 1.5 spoon of sauce. The reason why I'm putting 1.5 spoon of sauce is because of the edges. So you must not overput the sauce because of the edges. Then use your fork to press the edges very well, as you can see. So you have to get this exact style. Repeat the same step for others until you are through with the dough. Then for you to get that shiny pie, you have to use egg to brush the top. Then for the egg wash, you are going to be using 1 egg. As you can see mine now, I've already used egg to brush the top. So transfer it to the baking pan. Yes, this is the pan that I'm using. Then add enough salt to the pot. Place your gas top or your stove top. Preheat the pot for about 5 minutes and transfer your pie in it. Then bake it on a low heat for about 40 minutes. So guys, after 40 minutes, can you see the results? Please and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.